Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to fix yellow screen on Sony Xperia device. Okay, let's get to the tutorial. If your screen device is like this, and then here you can remove it by doing the following steps. First, you have to go to the settings menu. Okay, and then here you can choose to tap display option. And then here you can scroll down. Okay, and then you can select advanced option. After that here you can scroll again and tap on night light here. And then here you can switch off the feature like this. And then the yellow screen on your device has been removed. That's the tutorial on how to fix yellow screen on Sony Xperia device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.